Most folks have at least heard about the term copy and paste as it pertains to computers. It's a very handy skill to master and fortunately very easy as well. It's a great time saver, helps prevent mistakes, and once learned you'll wonder how you ever did without it. Think of making a photocopy of a paper document. You take an original, put it into the copy machine, press a button, and voila! An exact replica of the original spits out. The original isn't destroyed, just duplicated. The same concept is true with computer copying. On the internet and see a passage that's so interesting or profound that I just have to save it for future reference. I could type the whole thing, letter by letter, into a word processor or somewhere else on my computer and save it that way, but that's way too much work. Let copy and paste come to your rescue. To begin saving our text, we first have to tell the computer exactly which text we want to preserve. We do that by highlighting it. And the way you do that is to position your mouse cursor so that it's blinking at the very beginning of the text that you want, and while holding down your left mouse button, drag diagonally across the text until you reach the very end of the selection. Now that you've told the computer what you want to copy, you have to issue the copy command itself. Copying and pasting is such an important part of computer life that Windows has created several different ways to do it. One of my favorites is using keyboard shortcuts. One for the copy part, another for the pasting part. The pasting part, of course, is where our selection is duplicated and actually placed in its new location. First, find the Control key on your keyboard. There are actually two of them, one on either side of the space bar in the lower tier of keys. To copy our text, hold down the Control key and, while continuing to hold, press the C key, C for copy. It appears that nothing happened, but actually it did. Behind the scenes, your computer copied the text you selected and placed it into an invisible storage area called the clipboard. It will hold it there until you paste it into its final destination. Now go to your destination. It could be a Word document, an email, or anything, really. Click where you want the pasted text to appear and perform the Paste shortcut, which is Control and the V key. Yes, I know P would have been a better choice, P for paste, but it's actually V. That's what we're stuck with. So use Control and V. You should then see your copied text magically appear in the destination. This technique also works with photos, which I'll demonstrate by using a second way to copy and paste. Not the keyboard way, but a different way. Using your right mouse button, find a photo somewhere on the web. Click on it with your right mouse button. A little menu of options will appear. One of them should be Copy Image. Using your left mouse button, select this option. Now go to your destination, right-click again, and find the Paste option. Left-click, and your image should appear in the destination. Spend a little bit of time practicing your copying and pasting skills, and you'll find all sorts of useful ways that it can improve your computing experience. See you next time.